Hey creators, welcome back to HitPaw. Today we're putting two AI photo enhancers to the test using the same portrait of a woman to see which tool actually delivers the best results. Let's start with HitPaw Online AI Photo Enhancer. The workflow here is really straightforward. You simply upload the image, let the AI process it, and then download the enhanced version. But what's interesting is what happens behind the scenes. HitPaw automatically analyzes the image and identifies areas that need improvement, especially blurry regions and facial details. It sharpens facial features like the eyes, eyelashes, and hair strands, while also preserving natural textures so the image doesn't look overly artificial. At the same time, it improves contrast and color balance to make the photo look more vibrant and lifelike. When you look at the final result, the difference is pretty clear. The face looks sharper, the details feel more defined, and the overall image has that polished, professional look without losing the natural skin texture. Now let's compare that with ArtGuru AI. ArtGuru also improves the overall clarity of the image and adds a smooth finish. At first glance, the enhanced photo looks clean and pleasant. However, unlike HitPaw, it doesn't have a specialized module focused on facial enhancement or localized detail recovery. Because of that, some fine elements like eyelashes, hair details, or subtle skin textures can appear a bit softer or less defined compared to the HitPaw result. So while ArtGuru does a decent job at general image enhancement, it feels more like a broad, one-size-fits-all approach. In contrast, HitPaw focuses more on precision enhancement, especially for portraits, which is why the details tend to look sharper and more natural. Overall, both tools can improve image quality. If you want to see the difference for yourself, give it a try and watch your photos come to life like never before.